Kia ora koutou. Thank you for watching this video about negating causative sentences. In the video about Rerepūtake, I introduced you to causative sentences and we went over these question and answer sequences to ask why did and why will something happen. In this video, we're looking at asking and answering why didn't or why won't. We'll start off with the Rerepūtake sentence structure in the past tense using this example. He aha rātou I haere ai ki waho. Why did they go outside? We'll start with the first part of the question, he aha, followed by the subject, rātou, the effect, I haere, and then the remainder of the question phrase, which is I. Lastly, ki waho, outside. Here's our answer. Nā te huarere rātou I haere ai ki waho. They went outside because of the weather. The cause being the weather and the effect being the fact that they went outside. Now we're going to have a look at negating these sentence structures. We'll start the negated question in the same way with he aha. So let's drop that into place. The subject also remains in the same position, so we'll pop that in as well. Next, we're going to start the next bit in the same way with the past tense marker I, and then use the negation word kore to indicate a negative effect. This is then followed by the rest of the question phrase, which is I. So now we've got he aha rātou I kore ai. Why didn't they? To add in the rest of the question, we need to add the rest of the negative effect, which is haere, and ki waho, outside. Now, here's a twist. In the negated sentence structure, we're going to use e. So there's our Rerepūtake pātai whakaka, our causative sentence negated question. He aha rātou I kore ai e haere ki waho. Why didn't they go outside? Here's the negation of the answer now. In our original answer, we said they went outside because of the weather. Nā te huarere rātou I haere ai ki waho. Now we need to negate this, starting with the first answer word, which is nā. Let's drop it in. The cause also stays in the same place, and the subject. Now comes the whakaka, which is the same negation format as the question. I kore ai e haere ki waho. Nā te huarere rātou I kore ai e haere ki waho. It was because of the weather that they didn't go outside. Here's our negated question and answer sequence again. And here's another example. He aha tātou I kore ai e toa I te kēmu. Nā te ua tātou I kore ai e toa I te kēmu. Why didn't we win the game? We didn't win the game because of the rain. One last example now to show you how this works in the future tense. When we want to ask why something won't happen in the future, the structures of the question and answer sequence are exactly the same as with the past tense, but the key difference is that we use e kore instead of I kore. So the pātai for the past tense, he aha ia I kore ai e haere, why didn't she go, would become he aha ia e kore ai e haere. And the answer now, nā te roa rawa o te haerenga ia e kore ai e haere. She won't go because the journey is too long. So there you have it, a brief explanation of the whakakahoretanga o ngā Rerepūtake. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Ka kite anō au I a koutou a kua nei. Hei kona.